Hello everyone, welcome you all to Precision Trade Space, one more video. Today it's a quick video on the important levels for tomorrow, that is 21st of August 2023 for BankNifty, Nifty50 and FinNifty. Right, so right now I have the BankNifty up on my screen, and here I've kind of created few levels for you guys. And if you guys mark these levels in your systems as well, this will help you in identifying very good opportunities to trade upon. Right, so right now I have the 5-minute charts on my screen for Bank Nifty. Let me change it to 1-day time frame and explain you like why I have marked these levels on the chart. All right, just a moment. Right, so if you guys look at the Bank Nifty chart right now, it has created a very good chart pattern. I'm sure most of you are all aware of the head and shoulder pattern, right? So if you look at this, it's a left shoulder and it's a head and the right shoulder. And the neckline has broken on the Friday, and Friday the 11th of August 2023. And from then onwards it has kind of came down again. If you look at here, for last 3 days it has been consolidating here, right? One day we were in green, and one day it was like completely undecisive day with a loss of 55 points, and on Friday we've closed green. However, less than the 17th of August closure, right? So this is how the pattern has created right now. And even if we look at here at this point of time, this is also a bigger head and shoulder pattern which has created on the system right now. And if it breaks down, right, because as the 3 days of consolidation is done, if it breaks down, it will come down to your first target would be 43,444. And the second target would be 43,130. And if it continues to breaks down, right, you can expect the third target till 42,780. Till here you guys can expect. The reason why it was consolidating here, because there was so much of consolidation happen from the month of May 12th till June 23rd. After that only it has gone up, and now it has came down to that particular range where the consolidation is still happening for last 3 days. So let's see, these are the levels for the downside. And if in case, right, it's a very small W pattern, I cannot say complete picture at this point of time, but still if it goes up, right, so the first level what we can expect is 44,065. That's the first one, and the other target we can look at is 44,235 is going to be your second target towards up, and the third one is 44,300 or 307. And if in case if it goes beyond and above 44,300, then definitely we can look at the next target. That's going to be 44,567. May not be immediately, but still you guys can expect that. So these are the important levels for the Bank Nifty. Let's quickly look into Nifty50. So coming to the Nifty50 again, it's a similar pattern which is created right now, but again here we have to look for a right opportunity. Don't try and jump into the trade immediately. The reason being, the last trading session it was like undecisive, right? It was not clear whether it's going to go up or it's going to go down. So we have to wait for some time to chart to come up on the screen completely. Look for the pattern, look for the opportunities, and based on that go ahead and take up the trade. So here if in case it comes down, right, the first trade what we can look at towards the downside is 19 to 47 is what we can look at. And if it crosses that also towards the downside, then it's going to be 19,191 is what we can look at. And the third target, if in case if it works out well, then we can look for 1970. right? 19,070 or 73 you can look at. Those are the downside opportunities which we can look at, and the levels for you guys. And coming to the upside, right? It has closed on 19,310, right? What if in case market starts to go up, right? So the first one, the last day higher is what we can look at, which is 19,372, and above that we can look forward for 19,460, right? And if the market starts continue to go up, the next target upside we can look for is 19,560. So these are the levels which you guys can look forward for the Nifty50. And let's quickly look at FinNifty. FinNifty, we will be having the expiration on Tuesday, right? So the Monday will be a little critical because a lot of data will be added to the system. And if you look at that, then these are the important levels which I have marked for you guys. So previous day high, low, open and close, those are the levels. And downside, if it comes down, then automatically you can look for 19,292 is a one crucial level, because that is, if that crosses, right, because that's where a lot of consolidation happen. If it crosses that, then it's going to be 19,209, 208 is what we can look forward for FinNifty.